Here's how to install YouTube as a standalone desktop app on your PC. Works in both Chrome and Edge. Open Google Chrome and go to youtube.com. Once on YouTube, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Select Install YouTube from the menu. It will appear directly in a list. Click Install and confirm. YouTube will open in its own app window separate from your browser with its own taskbar icon. In Microsoft Edge, the process is identical. Go to youtube.com, click the three dots, go to Apps, and click Install YouTube. Confirm, and the app will open immediately. Once installed, go to your desktop and you'll see the YouTube app icon with the red YouTube logo. Double-click it any time to open YouTube directly without a browser tab. The app version loads faster, removes the address bar, and feels cleaner than watching in a tab. A tip: if the desktop icon does not appear automatically, right-click the YouTube app window that opened, select More Tools, and click Create Shortcut. Check Desktop and click Create. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.